So in this Realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view open houses only here on the Realtor.com mobile application. So the first thing you have to do is open up Realtor.com on your device or on the website. Once that is done, go to the search bar in the bottom left and go to the top left and press on filters. Once filters is selected, simply just go all the way down, keep scrolling all the way down until you come across the option right here, open houses only. And by default, it actually is not selected. So what you're actually viewing here is just all the listings, nothing specific in regards to open houses. But if you're looking for, houses that are, open houses only, for instance, if you're looking to go look or whatever, make sure that this is selected and this is highlighted green. Once that is done, go to the bottom right, press on see homes right here. Now the listings that are showing right here are only going to be the homes that are actually open houses only and not just houses that are placed on the market without an open house. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to view open houses only here on the Realtor.com mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.